If you want to know how to use rubber band elastic to achieve this Ankara head wrap, let's get started.
Dead baby, what's up?
Hello everyone. Hello people, welcome to my channel. This is Dead Beauty. Just a quick one. This material is Ankara material. See what I am doing? I fold it into 4. Fold it if you have big material so that the texture will be more heavier, so that you know that Ankara material is light. So I'm trying to be fast on the video, the explanation. So first you fold it, and if you know that you want to bring your hair hat from the back, you can do more folding. If you know you want to cover your hair at the back, just do like 2 folding so that the material will be wide. You can just use that wideness to cover your back side. Okay, now after you fold it, you divide it. One side will be longer than one side. That is, one side is 40, the other side is 60. Then you bring it together. For more chronic explanation, I will do live on Facebook on this particular style, how to use elastic. So many people on my comment section, when I drop the video on the Ashoke, they ask me if they can use Ankara. Yes, you can use any material you have, if you have any material. So all you need is just follow the process like this. So when you divide it, make sure one side is longer than the other side. Then you use elastic band, this rubber band, to hold it. You see the way I fold it before I use plastic, that rubber band. Then this side now I'm working on is the shorter one. I don't want to cover my back side. In case you want to cover your back side, you that is hearing my voice now, because most people will say, how can I cover my back side? You see, don't stop there. Make sure you drag the hair, you drag the material to the back side. Open the material wide. Me, I did open the material wide because I know my hair, I must bring it out from the back side. If you have nice hair, you want to bring it out like this braid, you can bring it out. But if you want to cover your back side, it's very easy. So right now we are using the 40, the shorter one, to knot it. Use the shorter one to knot it, and this particular part that we are now, concentrate and see how I'm going to tucking that shorter part into the longer one. Guys, open your eyes. See, I open the longer part, I put the shorter one inside, then I use it to cover it. I start my twisting. Do you understand? It's very easy. It's very unique. This style, you can use it on any outfit. You can use Ashoke to tie this style. I have the video which I made. I use Ashoke. So twist it. Now this your twisting. You will not take it round this fold. You will take it round this rows. I can describe that this front one we have in our front is, the shape is like rose. So just use that one that you twist to round it, then you tucking it under, tucking it under, or you can use pin to secure that place. It's very easy. Now this one, which is the main style, this front one, now you now position it the way you want it. You can leave it like this, you can bring it to the front side. You see the way I'm bringing it to the front side, I'm just bringing it to the, pull it. Yes, it's very easy. You can use it when you are going to church. This style, you can use it for your event. You can use it this style is for all age group. It's very easy, quick and fast. You can do it when you are standing. You can do it when you sit down. Yes, so this is the final. This is the final. Thank you everyone. Please follow me on my 2 of my Facebook, Dead Beauty and Dead Beauty Life, and leave your comment down below. My YouTube people, thank you. Bye.
Jehovah carry me they go the beauty house.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house.
Carry me they go.